Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back. I was cleaning off my mat and wanted to show some pieces I made using some leftover resin. In my last video, I used these plastic lids to mix glitter, mica powder, and UV resin together. Now, I didn't want to waste any of the leftover resin and was trying to figure out what I could do with it. One of the ideas was to freestyle a design on a bezel tray, and this is what it looks like. I used the amethyst, emerald, and glitter mixtures to go ahead and create this design. And I also made and am currently wearing this one on my European charm bracelet. Now, originally, I wanted these to be earrings, but they didn't turn out as expected. So I'm going to use one and make it as a necklace, and the other will be on a bracelet. I also made these glitter stud earrings using the glitter mixture. These came out exactly how I pictured, so I'm going to go ahead and keep them and wear them. I was able to create them using this silicone heart mold that I bought off of Etsy. I've had it for a few years and I don't remember the shop name. I also used stud earring backings and super glue. These are another pair, but they're not quite earrings yet. And I wanted to go ahead and go through the process with you. It's fairly simple, I promise. I'm just going to use some regular super glue that I bought from Family Dollar. And honestly, I'm just curious of how long they'll hold, and that's the only reason why I'm not adhering the backings with resin. So I'm just going to add a few drops to the back of the heart, and once I'm done, I'm going to take the stud backing, hold it on the back of the heart for a few seconds, and I also didn't realize the backing on the first heart was uncensored until I was finished with the second heart. But thankfully, the super glue hadn't fully bonded, so I can go ahead and correct it just in time. Now, I told you this process was so simple, and look at that, we're all done. So I hope this inspires you to make your own resin jewelry, and until next time, happy crafting.